Alright. It's racetrack testing time. Way little cars work. Right, here we go. So we've got a racetrack test menu, and we should be able to move the cars and return them, because that's all that's implemented. So with car test, I should be able to press buttons to make the cars move. Right, we're in car test mode. We've got status display. Let's see if we can get the cars to move. Woohoo! And we can stop them as well. And it detects the stall. And we can move them slowly. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Right, and we can return them. The cars return at different speeds. There we go. See if it returns. I had problems earlier with it returning when it's at the end. No problems now. Basically, to detect stall, you've got to sort of ignore the check to start with for a little bit after it starts moving. And we should be able to detect it stalling at the end straight away. Yeah, because the encoder has never hit. So that amount of time there is how long it can possibly stay on at full speed. Which is about 200 milliseconds. If I got my maths right anyway. Yeah, works great. And then up here we've got some indicators. The S indicates a stall condition, and the 0 indicates the encoder, the N indicates that it's not at the start line, I think. Or maybe it doesn't. Oh no, that indicates whether it's been seen since the it was last reset. So essentially you want it always to say no, and then the S will come on if it's stalling, which is what's happening. And the same on the other side. And then if it moves a little bit and then stalls, that'll go N and then switch between 1 and 0, and then it'll have a dash, and then it'll go Y, and then it'll go N, and then the S will come up. Like so. Brilliant. So that basically meant that while it was moving along the track, just before it reached the end, after it resets, it had been seen, and then it stalled, and then it wasn't seen, and then it detected a stall. Oh, I'm quite happy with that. That's pretty damn good. That's hella cool.